Hi guys, this is Engineer HLDC, and for this video, we will try to solve this problem. Find the value of u for the given equations below. So we have 1 over u plus 2 over v is equal to 8, and 3 over u minus 1 over v is equal to 3. So para masagot natin itong mga ganitong problem na hindi imposible mabasa sa board exam, ay gagamitan natin ito ng knowledge natin sa algebra. Alright class, so as we can see, we have here two equations with two unknowns, no? U and v. So sasagutan natin to class ng dalawang solution. So let's start with solution number 1. So solution number 1 class, ito yung conventional approach wherein we will try to solve this either by substitution method or elimination method, okay, whichever is yung convenient. Okay, pero class, as you can see, the equation as shown is yung variable kasi ay nasa ilalim. So medyo hindi tayo sanay na nasa ilalim yung variable. So what we can do first is to simplify the equation by multiplying both sides by uv. Alright, so let us do that. Alright, if you multiply the first equation with ub, we will have, so masimplify siya into a form of v plus 2u is equal to the 8uv. So let us do the same to the second equation here. Alright, so we will have 3v minus u is equal to 3uv. So let us call this our equation 2. So dito na class papasok yung knowledge natin sa pag-substitute or eliminate, no? So ang nakikita ko class na magandang approach dito is elimination method. So that is we will try to eliminate yung u na term, alright? So to eliminate that, so what we can do is to multiply equation 2, okay, by 2, no? So let's do that. Okay, upon multiplication with 2, so we will have here 6v minus 2u is equal to the 6uv. So ito pa yung magiging bagong form niya. So let us call this equation 3. Alright, so as you can see, we can now simply eliminate u or the 2u, okay, by simply adding equation 1 and equation 3. So inad natin, so we will have here v, okay, plus 6v, we will have 7v. So cancel ng positive 2u, negative 2u, and then here we have 8uv plus 6uv, we will have 14uv. So as you can see from both sides, we have a common factor of v, so we can cancel it out. And also to solve, no, to finally solve for u, so we can divide both sides by 14. Alright, so there you have it, that u is 7 over 14 or simply 1/2, no? Pero dito class, though mukha siyang maiksing tignan, pero it involves yung imagination nyo na ganito yung magiging approach, ganito yung gagawin. Alright, so punta tayo class sa alternative approach. Okay, so let us call this solution 2. So sa solution 2 class, dahil nga mahirap tignan na nasa ilalim ang variable, so why not let us replace the variables by another variable, no? So say for example, no, kasi mapansin mo class, common ang 1 over u dito, no? So dito may 1 over u, parang nakamultiply lang ng 3. Dito parang may 1 over v, and also here may 1 over v. So why not let us okay, x and y to be 1 over u and 1 over v respectively. Alright, so sir, bakit pinalitan? So syempre, pag nilet na natin, we can now replace yung original variables, no? And then we can rewrite the equations into this form. So the first equation, okay, this one here may be written as, so magiging x yung first term, and then again itong pangalawa is para siyang 2 na nakamultiply sa 1 over b, but 1 over v is taken to be y, so we will have 2y and equal to 8. Alright, equation 1. And do the same sa second equation. Alright, so we can write it as 3x minus y is equal to 3. So let's call it equation 2. So as you can see class, mas madali na siyang i-evaluate. So we can again apply here substitution method, elimination method, whichever is yung nakikita nyong mas simple, no? But for this one, so we may also try to use our calculator, no? So on our scientific calculator, we can evaluate their two equations with two unknowns under the mode 5.1. Alright, so using your calculator, no? So pupunta po tayo dito sa mode 5.1. And sige, pakita muna natin class yung calcu. Alright, so punta na tayo sa mode and then 5. So kung wala man sa 5, hanapin nyo lang class yung equation, no? Kasi iba-iba yung calcu, no, sa arrangement ng kanyang mga function. Alright, 5. And then again here, so yung 1 is the representation for two unknowns and two equations. Okay, so as you can see on your calculator, you have here to input the values of A, B, C. Okay, ano po yung A, B, C? Okay, remember class, before you can use yung mode 5.1, remember that your equation should be written into this format. So ito po yung ipa-follow ni calcu. Dapat naka-arrange siya na yung variables ay nasa left side. So halimbawa, first variable is x, second variable is y. So kasama yung mga coefficients nila na a and b. And remember, the constant should be at the right side of the equation. Which is, buti na lang yung mga final equations natin dito, nakaganong format na, no? So kukunin na lang natin yung values of a, b, and c. Okay, for the first equation, so we will have, so as you can see, meron ditong parang 1 na coefficient. So this would serve as our a1. And then here, this would be our b1. So remember to include the sign, no? Positive 2. And ayan, c1 would be 8. Alright, for the equation 2, our a2, b2, c2 would be, so for a2, that would be this 1, 3. And then again, dito sa negative y, parang may negative 1 dito. So that would be our B2. Alright, and the constant would be C2, yung 3. Alright, simply plug in on your calculator. So let us do that. Alright, so that the answer would be, the x would be equal to 2 and our y would be equal to 3. So pero take note, no, kung halimbawa may choices yung exam and you found na merong 2 and 3, so hindi po yan yung sagot. Remember, yan po yung values no nilet natin, no? Remember again, x is equal to 1 over u. So to solve for u, so let us reciprocate the value of x, no? So that the value of u would be the reciprocal of 2 or 1/2. And so with the y is equal to 3 but y is the reciprocal of v, no? Or 1 over v po siya. So kung tinatanong man yung value ng v, so just simply reciprocate the value of y, that v is equal to 1/3. Alright, so that's all for this video, guys. So for more contents like this, so do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe. So see you on our next video lecture, and God bless us all.